as you know that we are discussing the decimal part of the chapter, and we have been finished with our last exercise, which was exercise number 2.5. And now in today's session we are going to discuss a new concept of this chapter, is nothing but multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, fine. Now see, my dear students, 0.2 into 0.3 I have written here one example. 0.15 into 2.3 I have written one more example. That is the second part. We will go to that point later on. First we have to focus on here. 0.2 into 0.3, how much is the answer? Now somebody can say 0.6, because 2 3s are 6 and decimal point is there, so 0.6. okay, fine. If you want to do in this way, 0.2 into 0.3, then also you will face some problems. How to multiply them? Okay, so that is very easy, very easy. But first we will go through the step which is mentioned in NCERT, and then I'll tell you in shortcut how to do all that multiplications. Okay, fine. Now see, my dear students, we'll do here. The first example is 0.2 into 0.3. okay, no problem. Can we write it in this way? 0.2 upon 1 into 0.3 upon 1. Yes or no? Obviously yes. So it is equal to. Now this 0.2, if I shift this decimal point by one digit to the right, then I write it in this way, 2 divided by. Now here also I shift a decimal point by one digit. That means I need to increase 1 0 here. Into सिमिलर मॅनर मध्ये इथं पण तेच करायचं आपल्याला. इथला डेसिमल पॉइंट जर आपण एका डिजिटने पुढे सरकवला तर हा काय होईल, 3 होईल ना. डिवाइडेड बाय हा 1 होता. एक डेसिमल पॉइंट तुम्ही जर राईट साइडला सरकवलेला असेल तर इथला पण एक डेसिमल पॉइंट तुम्ही काय करणार, डेसिमल पॉइंट काय करणार, एक डिजिटने राईटला सरकवणार, म्हणजे हा होईल 3/10. नाउ दिस इज आवर 2/10 and 3/10. both are proper fractions. okay, no problem. Now what we need to do? We need to do multiplication. So while doing multiplication, we'll do multiplication of numerators in numerator and denominators in denominator. So 2 into 3 divided by 10 into 10. No problem. So it is equal to, now see, what will be its answer? 2 3s are 6 divided by 10 10s are 100. So 6 by 100 we can write in this way. Now the last step will be, we'll cancel these two zeros, and if we cancel these two zeros, that means our decimal point was here and we are shifting it by 2 digits to the left. That means here also decimal point is here, we need to shift it by 2 digits. आता जर मी 2 डिजिट ने सरकवायचं म्हटलं तर हा झाला माझा 1 डिजिट आणि दुसरा नव्हता म्हणून मी इथं दिला 0 आणि हे झाले 2 डिजिट. सो 0.06. सो या तुमच्या एक्झाम्पलचा आन्सर काय आला, 0.2 into 0.3 चा आन्सर तुम्हाला काय मिळालं, 0.06. 0.2 into 0.3, 0.2 into 0.3 याचा आन्सर तुम्हाला मिळालं 0.06. 0.06. ओके, फाईन, नो प्रॉब्लेम. आपण त्या शॉर्टकट स्टेप कडे नंतर जाऊया, काय करायचं आहे नेमकं. आणि ऍक्च्युली तुम्ही सुद्धा ते पॅटर्न कॅप्चर करू शकता की काय येतंय नेमकं. ठीक आहे, बघा. जर समजा आम्ही या ठिकाणी काय केलं, समजा एक्झाम्पल आमचं त्याच पॅटर्न मधलं घेतो मी. सपोज 0.4 into 0.6 is there. 0.4 into 0.6 is there. So what you will do? We will do the same procedure, 4/10 into 6/10. So it is equal to 4 into 6 divided by 10 into 10. No problem. So 4 6 are 24 divided by 100. So it is equal to 1020. So 1 digit, 2 digit. 0.24 is the answer. 0.24 is the answer. Are you able to capture the pattern? See, here this was the example, this was the answer. Here 0.4 into 0.6 This was the example, this was the answer. No problem. Now see, count the total digits in multiplication which are after decimal point. Count the total digits which are after decimal point. Total digits, not in only one number. Here after decimal point 1 digit, here after decimal point 1 digit. That means total 2 digits are there. Okay, total 2 digits are there. So see, 0.2 into 0.3, while doing multiplication of this type, leave these decimal points. So 2 into 3 is the answer. If we remove these decimal points, 2 into 3 is the answer. 2 into 3 we know 6. Now how many total digits were there after the decimal point? Here 1, here 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So that many digits by which you have to shift your decimal. Now the decimal point is here. Shift it by 2 digits. This is 1 digit, this is second digit, and 0.06 is your answer in a shortcut. In a shortcut, 0.2 into 0.3. We have not considered decimal point at all. By just removing that decimal point, we have multiplied the numbers. We have got this 6 and just counted total number of digits which were after the decimal point in total multiplication, and that many digits by which we have shifted our decimal point to the left. Okay, and a regular procedure is like this. You can do in any way, no problem. Now let's discuss the next question. Okay, now first tell me, here how many digits are after the decimal point 2? Here how many digits are after the decimal point 1? 2 plus 1, it's a 3. So total 3 digits are there which are after the decimal point. That means if we want to do multiplication, remove the decimal point. Remove the decimal point. So what will be your answer? 15 into 23. 15 into 23. No problem. So as per your regular procedure only you can do. If you don't know the table of 23, you can write in this way also. 15 into 23 can write in 23 into 15. You might have known the table of 15, but no need of that. If we want, if we just clear with our tables of 2 to 10, then it is okay, no problem. Okay, fine, no problem. So 3 5s are 15, 1 carried, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 for this tens place, no problem. Now 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carried, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, it's a 3, no problem. 5, 4, and this is 3, 345 is the answer. 345 is the answer. Now tell me total how many digits were there after the decimal point? How many digits were there after the decimal point? Here 2, here 1, so 2 plus 1, 3. That many digits we have to shift our decimal point to the left. That means here, here was the decimal point, 1, 2 and 3. So 0.345, this is your answer. 0.345, this is the answer. Okay, no problem. Now we can go through by that second method also. What was the second method? 0.15 into 2.3 is equal to, now this is 0.15, we can write it in this way, 0.15 upon 1 into 2.3 upon 1. So the same thing we can write in this way, 15 upon 1, 2. By 2 digits we have shifted the decimal point to the right. Here also we will shift our decimal point to the right by 2 digits. So here was the decimal point, 1, 2 digits. So into, किंवा शॉर्टकट मध्ये आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, जेवढे डिजिट्स तुम्ही इकडे सरकवलेले आहेत राईटला तेवढे 0 खाली द्या 1 वरती. इथं 23 होता, 2.3 होता, त्याला आपण 23 लिहिला. तर काय करणार, किती डिजिट्स आपण काढून टाकले डेसिमल पॉईंट, किती डिजिटने पुढे सरकवलं, 1 डिजिटने. सो 1 0 द्या फक्त, नो प्रॉब्लेम. आणि याला ज्या वेळेला आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन करू तर त्यावेळेला हे अशा प्रकारे येईल, हे 100 into 10. सो मग काय होईल आता हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन आपण आत्ताच केलं, तर हे जर आपण केलं 15 3 जार, सो 15 3 जार 45, नो प्रॉब्लेम. 5 4 कॅरेट 15 2 जार 30, 30 plus 4 is 34, 345 divided by this 100 into 10, total 3 zeros are there, 1 2 3, and it is equal to, if we want to cancel out 3 zeros, that means 1 2 3, we need to shift our decimal point by 3 digits. That means this is first digit, second digit, third digit, and this is the answer, 0.345. Both the way you can do, whichever you feel, that's easy. So in that way only you can do it, no problem. Our aim is what? To understand the concept, not to follow the just rule. Okay, in this way only you have to solve it. No, you can do it in any way. Just I want that answer, exact answer. If here is 0.345, you should get 0.345, and you should be able to explain how does you have got that answer. Okay, fine, no problem. Now let's move towards that point. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, here I have written one example, 1.76 into 10. 1.76 into 10. Now by regular procedure what we'll do? See, by regular procedure we'll do in this way, 1.76 into 10. So can we write in this way, 176 upon 100, this 1.76 upon 1 was there. So if we shift it by 2 digits, we have to add 2 zeros here, 176 upon 100 into 10. So it is equal to 176 into 10 upon 100, no problem. Now this 1 0 and this 1 0 will get cancelled to each other, and you will left with the answer 176 upon 10. This is 176 upon 10, and which is equal to, if we cancel out 1 0, we need to shift our decimal point by 1 digit to the left side. That means it will become 17.6. 17.6. So the answer of this one is what? 17.6. 17.6. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next example. 1.76 into 100. So can we write 176 upon 100 into 100? So it should be equal to 176 into 100 divided by 100. This 100 and this 100 get cancelled to each other. We will left with only 176. And decimal point is here, no doubt. So the answer of this one is this. Okay, no problem. Let's take the next one. 1.76 into 1000. So can we write this 1.76 in this way, 176 upon 100 into this 1000. So it is equal to 176 into 1000 divided by 100. No problem. This 10 10 10 10. So it is equal to 176 into 10. No problem. And we know that multiplication, it's very simple, 1760, and decimal point is here. Okay, no problem. This is what 1.76 into 1000's answer. No problem. So the answer of this one is this. So that's very easy. That's very easy. काय केलं बघा, तर सिंपली आम्हाला हे दिलेलं 1.76 into 10, 100 आणि 1000, 10च्या मल्टिपलमध्ये काही नंबर्स होते, त्यांनी आपल्याला डेसिमल नंबरला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं होतं. काय म्हटलं, 10चे मल्टिपल्स असलेले काही नंबर्स आहेत, तर त्यांच्या त्या नंबर्सने फक्त आपल्याला डेसिमल नंबर्सला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं होतं. सो इट्स व्हेरी सिम्पल. 1.76 into 10चा आन्सर काय आलं, 17.6. अच्छा, 17.6. म्हणजे तुमचं कन्क्लुजन काय असेल बघा, याला ज्या वेळेला 10 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर त्यावेळेला हा डेसिमल पॉइंट एक डिजिटने पुढे गेला बाय 1 डिजिट, आणि इथं एक 0 होता, 1 0 होता, त्यावेळेला एका डिजिटने राईटला गेला डेसिमल पॉइंट. इथं 0 किती होते, 2 0 होते, त्यावेळेला 1 आणि 2 बघा 176 आला का 176. सो हा डेसिमल पॉईंट 2 डिजिटने पुढे गेला, 2 डिजिटने पुढे गेला. इथं बघा 3 झिरो होते, 3 झिरो होते. सो 1 2 आणि याच्यावरती अजून एक ऍडिशनल झिरो येईल, ते आन्सर असेल 1760.0. म्हणजे हा डेसिमल पॉईंट तुमचा 3 डिजिटने पुढे गेला, 3 डिजिटने राईटला गेला. म्हणजे 10च्या मल्टिपल्स मध्ये काही नंबरने तुम्ही जर मल्टिप्लाय करत असाल तर आपला डेसिमल जेवढे झिरो झालेत तेवढ्या डिजिटने राईट साईडला जाईल, तेवढ्या डिजिटने काय होतोय राईट साईडला जातोय. मग मला काही ठराविक सिंपल एक्झाम्पल्स मी घेतो इथं, तर त्याची आन्सर सांगा काय येतील बघा. जर मी असं लिहिलं 3.5429 इंटू 100 काय होईल याचा आन्सर. किती झिरो आलेत, 2 झिरोज, 2 झिरोज. सो डेसिमल पॉईंट विल बी शिफ्ट बाय 2 डिजिट्स, 2 डिजिट्स 1 2. म्हणजे आन्सर काय येईल 354.29. 2 झिरो आले म्हणून 2 डिजिटने पुढे सरकवलं. The 47.98 into 10 is there. Only 1 zero is there. 1 zero, that means your decimal point will be shifted by 1 digit to the right side. 479.8. Suppose 0.00342 into 1000 is there. So it is equal to how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. You have to shift your decimal point by how many digits? 3 digits. 1 2 and 3. So your decimal point will shift here after that digit 3. 3.42. That will be answer. Okay, no problem. Suppose if we take here one more example, 0.30500291 into this is 10,000. No problem. What will be your answer? How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So by that many digits you have to shift your decimal point to the right. 4 1 2 3 4. So here will be the decimal point. So decimal point will be shifted after the 0 which is in between 5 and 2. So 3050.291. That will be your answer. So this is the multiplication of decimals. This is the multiplication of decimals. Okay, fine, no problem. So I think you have understood very well. If you haven't, then just go through once again the video. You will get it easily. And in the next lecture, we will discuss few problems which are related to the multiplication of decimals. Okay, thank you.